I'm standing here with Noah. He's one of the architects that was mainly involved in the making of the solar panels and the design. So Noah, what can you tell me about why are the solar panels shaped this way?
Well, the shape of the solar panels are actually very interesting. So we made a sort of irregular shape, which is almost unique for each panel. And if you look from the side, it sort of creates a ripple-like wave, which is really nice because of course it corresponds to our name. But it also has two other main advantages. It's customizable, so we have a lot of different sorts of panels to get not a very boring facade, but a very interesting one with different patterns. And the back side, where the solar cells are actually fabricated into the panels by Kameleon, with the nice glazing with the print of 𝒓𝒊𝒑𝒑𝒍𝒆, you can see that the solar cells are actually in a rectangle behind it, and those rectangles are the same for each of the panels. So for the customization you have a lot of free space in the shape of the glazing, but for the process of making the solar panels in the factory, it's actually a very repetitive task. So it's a nice balance between actually the customization and the how do you say it? Mass factorization. And of course, all these shapes, they are sort of in the same angle as the tessellation that we use for the floor plan. So it's a bit like the odd shape that you want to have returning in all the different elements on different scales of detail, to create more customization, but also to create a very interesting looking facade.
Okay. And you already briefly mentioned it, but there is something special about these solar panels. Can you tell me more about that?
We have a PVT system behind it, which is in collaboration with 𝒓𝒊𝒑𝒑𝒍𝒆 Solar. And what they did is they allowed us to cool the panels by running water behind it and heating up the water, which is a very nice mutualistic effect. So you actually have the solar panels being better in their operation because they have a lower temperature, so they generate more. And the water of course is warm, so you need less energy to heat your water later on when you're taking a nice shower.
All right, thank you very much, and I hope to see once they're all on the final product.
Definitely.
Nice.
Yeah.
Tessellation, tessellation, this is the way we feel. We love this excitation.
We love you, Kevin.